my channel. In today's video we're going to look into a mutual fund review which belongs to the Access Mutual Fund fund house. So this particular fund is not only for investment but for tax purpose also. So we're going to look into the ELSS fund. So equity linked saving scheme is the full form. It is a special type of equity fund investment which gives the investor tax deduction benefit under section 80C of income tax of India up to a limit of 1,50,000 per year. So for tax savings you all can opt for this fund, which also gives us a very good return when compared to any PPF or means of investment. And if you want to know detailed information about ELSS and the difference between ELSS and PPF and how it works and everything, you all can check out the video on my YouTube channel, which is ELSS versus PPF. So I've given you all the whole details there. So now we'll see which fund it is and the detailed review of the fund. Okay, so it is Access Long-Term Equity Fund. So this objective of the fund is to generate income and long-term capital appreciation from a diversified portfolio of predominantly equity and equity related securities, and this particular fund invests mostly in large and mid-cap stocks. So we'll look into the details of the fund manager. So he's Mr. Jinesh Gopani. So he has been the fund manager of equity at Access Asset Management companies since 2011. He has a total experience of 13 years in capital markets. Prior to joining Access, he was the portfolio manager at Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company, and he also manages other funds like Access Focus 25 and other funds. So now we'll get in and see the details of this fund. So it comes under the ELSS category. So it was launched on December 29th 2009. So its benchmark is S&P BSE 200. The turnover is 114%. It's an open-ended type, so we can register to the fund anytime we need. So its minimum investment is 500 rupees, and the exit load is nil because we can't do any redemption within 1 year. So this particular fund or any ELSS fund will come with a lock-in period for 3 years. So for 3 years you will not be able to do the redemption. So the beta is 0.92 and the alpha is 0.26. We look at the top 10 holdings of this fund. So the first one on the list is Tata Consultancy Services, so shortly known as TCS, and the asset allocation for that particular stock is 9.92%. Next is HDFC Bank, 9.26%, Kotak Mahindra Bank 6.91%, Pidilite Industries 5.96%, Housing Development Finance Corporation, that is HDFC only, 5.23%, but HDFC Bank and this is different. Bajaj Finance Limited 4.99%, Gruha Finance Limited 4.52%, Maruti Suzuki India 4.38%, Sun Pharma 4.04%, and Bandhan Bank 3.83%. So they mostly invest in the financial sector. So we'll look at the returns given by this fund. So this fund compulsory we have to hold it for 3 years. We can't do the redemption within 3 years. So for 1 year it is given as a return of 0.69%, for 3 years 9.68%, and for 5 years it is given as a return of 21.13%, and for 10 years it is nil because it was started only in 2009. So you all can see, for if at all we hold this, we have to hold this for 3 years, but if we hold it for a long term, we will get a very good return. So now we'll look into a small calculation. So I've taken investment period from 10th October 2013 to 10th October 2018. So total investments is 61 investments of 5,000 each month. So 5,000 each month for the 61 months, it will be 3,05,000 rupees, and the units purchased with that 3 lakh rupees is 10,091 units, and the value of 3 lakh as of October is 4,33,460 rupees. The latest NAV is 42.15. So the SIP returns is 14.22%. So an average of so you all can see that what is the value of our 3 lakhs after 5 years. So if at all you all want to invest in this fund, you all can go ahead and do after you do your research. And this is not a fund recommendation from our side, but this is a very good fund which is a dual play role, because it gives us a very good returns for investment purpose and for tax benefit up to 1,50,000 per year. So start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.